AG Squad, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So for the episode, this cool manual right here, and basically what this is a knife organizer, if you see, from the brand called Joseph & Joseph. This one right here is a compact 2-tiered knife storage set. So you can put stuff on the top or you can put stuff in the bottom right here. And they do have this like non-slip material right here, which is pretty nice as well. So this is basically what the product looks like when you guys first get it. Let me just take off this part right here first. Alright, so when we take it out, you guys can see that this is basically what it looks like on top. Here's what it looks like on the side. And here's what it looks like on the bottom. If you see on the bottom right here, they do have this like hole right here, so that way it actually can drip out the water if you guys have any liquid when you guys put it inside right here. And then right here, they do have the anti-skid material, so that way when you guys put it on like a flat surface, it won't keep moving around, which is definitely pretty nice. And just the overall material seems very simple and very easy to use. They do have the little logo here as well, but literally all you're gonna do is just put your knife on top right here, either this section or this section right here, and then you guys are all set. So this is basically what the product looks like. Then I bring this over the countertop or the drawer and show you guys how to actually set it up and how to use it. And then we'll come back and talk more about product in a second. Alright, so right here with the product, let me put it in the cabinet to show you guys what it actually looks like. So we have a little cabinet right here and we have an organizer right here. So I'm gonna put this inside right here. Let me see, it goes in really nicely, and I'll bring a different point of view to show you guys what it actually looks like after. Alright. So once we put it in, this is basically what it looks like. Alright, so this is basically what the product looks like from a different point of view. Let me start putting some knife in here to show you guys what it actually looks like right here. So what I suggest is that you guys put the bigger knife on the bottom because there's a lot more space in the bottom and there's less space on top. If you guys want to put it all together, you definitely can, but if you guys have a certain knife where it's like very cramped up, you probably want to skip a space. So in this case right now, we have like pretty small ones right here, so it's not a big issue. Alright, so once we have it in, this is basically what it actually looks like. Alright, so this is basically what it looks like from above. If you can see, it definitely looks very nice and super organized. If you can see, there's definitely a lot of space for you to separate everything on here, which is pretty nice. So if you guys want to skip a space for each different section, you definitely can. If I can see, I skip one here, I skip one here, and I skip one here. If I want to put another one here, here, and here, I definitely can, but it might be a little bit cramped up. Alright, welcome back guys. So now you guys saw a quick test of the product and definitely see that it's super easy to use, super easy to set up as well. Literally all you're gonna do is just put this into your drawers or your cabinet or wherever you guys want to use it, and then you just put all your knives like one by one and stick it in. What I do recommend is that if you guys have like bigger knife, you want to put it in the bottom, whereas like the smaller knife, you guys want to put it on top. If you can see from the top tier versus like the lower tier, the top tier is actually much shorter compared to the bottom tier if you guys can see from the actual test. But if you can see from the actual test, the product definitely does work and it fits a lot of different knives on here. So basically the maximum amount of knife you can put inside right here is 18, so 9 on top and 9 on the bottom. But if you guys don't want the actual knife to be all cramped up, you don't have to put all 18 on here. You guys can skip a space on each section if you guys want to. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to unboxing and testing on the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product in particular, I would definitely have to say that it is super worth it if you guys want one or need one of these, especially if you guys want to keep all like your knives, your utensils or whatever all organized. If you guys can see from the test, I have another organizer on the side to organize all my like chopsticks, my forks and spoon and everything, which is definitely super nice. This way actually keeps it all organized, actually looks very, very nice. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have just one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save the money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.